I officially want to say a very big welcome to you to this section of our course where we'll be talking about how to write an effective copy for emails. Yes, not just writing copies, but writing copies that will persuade the reader to take the action that you want them to take. It is very important that you identify your goal before you try to write a copy for an email. It is also very important that you know what type of email you want to send at what given time. This will now take us to the point where we now have to highlight the different types of emails we have and how we can write copies for them that will persuade the reader to do what we want them to do. We'll be giving attention to 4 main types of emails. We'll be giving attention to product announcement emails, we'll be giving attention to promotional emails, newsletter emails, and finally, transactional emails. So no matter the type of email you want to send, it would be centered around all of these. We'll look at how we can implement the AIDA formula in actually writing copies in these mails that would persuade someone to do what we want them to do. Remember, that is what copywriting is all about. The first on our list is product announcement emails. Yes, the goal of this type of emails is basically to let people know that something that they might want is now available. It may be a new product, it may be an updated app, or maybe a new website you just designed, or maybe a new service that you can now offer. Maybe you have an online store and you now have some new products that you want to let them know about. Guys, the type of mail you send to these people is what we call product announcement email. The basic copy that you need for this type of mail is the name, the description of the product, the price of the product, and the benefit of the product to the viewer. You could also add testimonials, positive reviews, or quotes from other customers who have tried that new product. And of course, you need to add a call to action to that email, and if possible, a sense of urgency so as to make them take the action immediately. So the big question, guys, is how do you get the reader of this product promotional mail to click on that call to action button? What can we possibly write in the email to convince them to take that action? Guys, one thing to note is that a product announcement email is basically an advertisement in email format. The regular advertisement that you do, but this time in email format. But with what we already know about the elements of a landing page and how to effectively implement them using the AIDA formula that we mentioned in previous lectures, we can do a whole lot better than just saying, hey, here is a new product, please buy it. You can do better than that. But how can we now implement AIDA formulas to a product promotional email? Guys, most of the strategies that were highlighted in the previous lectures on how you can actually implement the AIDA formula to a landing page would also work for this promotional email that we are trying to set up. We have things like a catchy title. We have things like promoting the benefits and not just the features of that product. And definitely the call to action, and also putting an offer that will be irresistible for them to do what? To ignore. So these basic things are the things that we mentioned about a landing page. Now we can also implement them using the AIDA formula on these product launch emails that we are talking about. Here's an example of an email that was sent by Dodge. Dodge is basically an app that helps people get cash back from popular vendors through their app. So take for example, you shop for some items online in the supermarket through the Dodge app. Dodge will give you some cash back. I don't know if you get the point. You open their app, you are going to see so many in the supermarket and their apps inside that Dodge app. So any of the apps that you use to shop inside the Dodge app, Dodge is actually going to give you some cash back. Normally, this is something that you would not get when you visit these other stores physically. They won't give you the cash back. Now, Dodge have added about 25 new brands and vendors to these their apps that users can use to shop from. Please, I want you to pay attention and observe how they promoted the benefit of shopping with these new brands in this product email launch that they sent to all their existing customers. Please take into consideration how they implemented the AIDA formula. Remember, from the AIDA formula, the very first thing we have to do is what? Awareness. Did you see how they made these new brands aware in the title of this email? See how catchy it is. They said 25 new brands means more cash for you. So definitely all users who use this Dosh app know that their aim of using this app is actually to get cash back. Definitely, the bold caption of this mail will capture their interest because the benefit of this email is what? Prioritized. More cash back for you. They know that is the benefit that the user wants, and they did what? They popped it out in the title. So if you are writing a mail like that, you do well want to do what? Ensure that the benefit is somehow embedded into the title of your email. See another typical example in this product launch email that was actually sent out by Nike. Yes, they actually launched a new website. They upgraded their website from what they used to have before. See how they also implemented the AIDA formula in this product launch email. The captivating title that they attach to this email is actually something that will make all existing users aware that, hey, there is a new Nike website. What did they say? They said, introducing the new Nike.com. Guys, do you see how that captivating title summarizes the content of the email? Definitely persons who are on the website before would now be aware that, hey, there is a new Nike website. But is that copy enough, that, hey, there is a new website, enough to motivate persons who are now aware for them to actually visit that website? Not at all, guys. Now, see how the next description that they put helps increase interest, which is the second part of the AIDA formula, in the product. They said, a brand new shopping experience from beginning to the end. Take note of this. Easy shopping, easy returns, and mega spec. Oh wow, guys, probably these are some issues that people actually face on the website before, and they are popping this out on the face of these users now, say, hey, on this new website you can now shop easily on the website. They also mentioned that on this new website, you will not have any issue returning any product. Easy, free way for you to return products. And that members have some very, very special offers and advantages. If I was actually a user on this website before and I had these things as challenges, do you think that I will be motivated to check out this new website? Yes, my interest will increase. But again, is that enough for me to click on that website immediately and check it now? Maybe you will say yes. But out of 100, about 20 to 30 persons would at that point click on that website. So what do they need to do? They needed to increase desire of that product on this product email. So guys, how did Nike use the AIDA formula to increase this desire, so that anybody who is seeing it will quickly want to go and click on it now? See how they did that in this copy that they wrote. They said, check out the new Nike.com and get free shipping. They did not just stop there. They added a deadline offer to it. They said, now through October 9, we will pay for shipping on all orders on Nike.com. Guys, did you observe the deadline offer that they added to that mail? They did not just say they will give you free shipping if you visit the website, but they added a deadline to it. October 9th. I actually did not know the date when they actually sent this mail, but definitely it will not be a long time. So users will quickly want to visit the website, see the experience, see how it works, and enjoy free shipping. Now, to even motivate you more, who is the user that is seeing this email, to click on it immediately, see what they said. They said, enter the coupon code NEW NIKE on checkout. They are not saying go and visit the website first. They say no, enter the coupon code now so that you can get access to this mind-blowing, amazing offer that will soon expire. And of course, you know that adding a call to action is something that is supposed to follow after their desires have been wet. I'm sure that the person that wrote this email did not take my copywriting course, because if he did, he will not put this call to action that you can see before this other copy that is whetting their appetite. So guys, please, it is not the best practice to put it before this here. So when you are doing your own, make sure it comes after what you have put in to whet their appetite. But do you observe how this person used the AIDA formula to make this email something that will be irresistible for the reader to view? Yes, of course. You would agree with me that implementing this AIDA formula in the email will surely increase the number of persons who will visit this new website when they receive this email. So please, product announcement emails are more effective when you implement the AIDA formula. Yes, it is more effective when you try to outline the benefits of the product instead of the feature. If the benefits are more than one, you can do well to list them on the mail as a bullet point. That way, it will be popping and very obvious for the reader to see. You also want to make sure that those bullet points actually solves the problem of your what? Your user. If possible, they've been having a bad experience from you, those bullet points should solve and fix those problems, because it is only then that they will see it as, oh, a solution has come, and they will want to take the action that you want them to take. Combine these tips with the practical steps that I have highlighted earlier when we were talking about how to get a landing page, and your promotional email will be extremely effective. Guys, we have just talked about how to write a product announcement email as the first type of email that you can send. In the next lecture, I will blow your mind, guys, by telling you what promotional emails are, how you can write effective promotional emails that would increase traffic, and also the best practices that would make it very easy for you to write them. I can't wait, guys, but to see you in that next lecture.